Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how to fix Snapchat crashing Android. But before moving forward, first make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now, without further delay, let's begin. So everyone, if you have been looking for a solution to fix Snapchat crashing Android problem, then I'm gonna tell you the easiest way how you can get rid of this problem. So just follow these simple steps. Open the settings of your phone. Now scroll down and then tap on this option apps and permissions. Now go to app manager and among these options search Snapchat and tap on it. Now open to the storage option and from here clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear data, tap on delete and then tap on clear cache. Once it's done, go back and go to Snapchat app icon. Press and hold the icon and uninstall the app. Now once it's uninstalled, go to your Play Store and reinstall the Snapchat app. And then check if it helps or not. And if your problem is not resolved yet, then you can also try to update your phone software. So everyone, these are the easy way to fix Snapchat crashing Android problem. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.